So today my public announcement is about internet safety. So the websites that I looked at a lot of times just talked about how to keep your personal information personal. That's one of the main problems about the internet. So one of the website's first tips was to make sure to keep your personal information and just any personal info very limited. So, for example, don't share like your address or your phone number or like if you're home alone or not, things like that. You don't want to really share online because it can be really dangerous. Um, Something that was interesting that a lot of people don't know about is the amount of privacy settings you can set up on your computer or your social media or things like that. Make sure you look into having a lot of privacy settings to help um, keep all of your information very personal. Also, passwords are really important. A lot of the websites said that it's really a good idea to change your passwords frequently, to not use the same passwords for all of your accounts, and to make sure that the password is difficult enough that no one could guess it, like your birthday or something. Also, they said this one's something that has become much more relevant than in the past. Obviously, it's be careful who you meet online. Today, there's a lot of things like online dating or instant messaging or things like that that can be very dangerous. And just to make sure that you don't meet with anyone online or anything like that, as it can be like really dangerous to do.